counts.
But you see how migration
works. This is not that cool.
I'm texting you forever.
What did you vote? What?
Hi guys, good afternoon. My brother is parking, but we are here at this restaurant, or about to walk to this restaurant to get food with some of his friends. I'm very tired from the wedding yesterday, but yeah, so I'll check in later.
But yes, we'll get your spoon.
Thank you.
All of that wahala just to say.
Charles,
Right.
Charles.
So what I want to do, it's expected.
See, African men. African men. Because I said so.
You're talking about American.
Exactly, no. The men also have their problem. If not justice, man, no more.
You gotta pick and choose which one you want to deal with.
America is just way more metropolitan.
I didn't remember time, and I didn't make you my temperature defense. Me, I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, your loving me totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. I need it like I wish you would. Open up, make I see you then. You're my love, one sexy. If you make a bad nothing go. For your head, talk to the ones I don't care what you said. Cause no matter, him I want to carry for my head. And you I want to carry to my bed. No, no, don't tell me no, no, no. You could be my partner, never eyes, no, no, no. And we can do our milk, you don't need to buy you.
Are you guys all from the States?
No.
We're from Toronto.
Oh, okay. Are you from Canada as well? From here? Okay.
And you?
From the States.
We're from Ghana. We live in Toronto. Ghana vis-a-vis Toronto.
Yeah, I live in Ghana too. Yeah.
Yeah. So with
What
all
state are you
the,
from?
I live in Maryland. From New York, grew up in
Honestly, I
Seattle.
didn't realize how many Ghanaian people are from here. Every time
I'm
meet
there
somebody,
all
I'm
the
like,
time. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, my cousins live there, so
Okay.
Yeah.
lots of Ghanaians are there.
Jesus.
Like,
There's this one lounge called Mango Lounge, and that's where like all the aunties and uncles go and rave it up. You come and everyone's lit. I'm like, you guys are someone's parents. Like, what are we doing?
They need enjoyment too.
No, they do listen and they enjoy. Okay.
333 here,
Oh, yeah.
and plus
233.
233. That's what
Mhm.
the aunties and uncles.
Well, there's one here. I thought they
Plus
Okay.
233. No.
Wait, what kind of aunties?
what age range for these aunties and uncles?
Oh, like
Our
parents' age.
age.
Like, yeah, literally us in college. Yeah, grown adult age. Yeah. So you guys are just.
They're lit.
Mhm.
I think there's one. I think there's
Yeah,
another
the
one in
old
West
folk
now.
do dance.
There's one here.
Yeah.
What older generation are there? Because my parents used to take
Yeah.
me to parties that lasted till daybreak. And
Right?
And
I
there's a room
remember
for the
that.
kids to sleep, so they just dump us there and keep
Right?
partying.
I remember that. Yeah.
Like they're in Kumasi.
Yes. So I'm guessing like the other ones, they're probably a little bit more calmer.
Maybe not my brother.
That's gonna hurt my hand.
If you don't know how, if you're not sure, then use your middle finger. It's always the strongest.
Really? So what do? You put tension?
So I put under it like this.
I mean, well, it is what it is.
Man, I was hoping this would stay
Hidden?
Yeah.
No.
Because you know, like 2 weeks ago.
That was it. You knew it blew up. Hinge? Hinge. I didn't know they had Hinge here. I didn't know they had Hinge in Ghana. Hinge is the dating app that's meant to be deleted. So once you meet your person, you delete it. It's not like Tinder or all those extra. All those extra.
I only swipe. I don't reply.
Oh, please.
I don't.
Why? Why are you on there if you don't want to date?
Maybe that's why.
Okay, right now I'm not in the mood, but I still want to swipe.
Because I feel like
For other things.
But
So
what
you're
other
just
thing?
playing with women's feelings out there.
No, but I don't.
Like, oh, left.
I mean,
oh,
like
right.
after I send the
Thank
reply,
you.
I'm done.
We chat for a little.
No, we don't chat. I don't chat at all.
So your inbox is just left with people saying hi?
Engaging conversation on
Have you been doing that?
Yeah, it's Bumble too.
You're on
How many
Bumble
are you
too?
on?
Hold on. You don't want a relationship, but you're on Hinge, on Bumble. Why are we on both of them?
I guess an ego boost.
Wait, how many are you on?
That's okay. I like the honesty. I like the honesty.
How many are you on?
I'm going to be
Just Bumble and Hinge.
Okay.
Are you on Tinder?
No, Tinder is weird in Ghana.
Why? Like
It's just prostitutes.
so like the US. Okay. No.
That's why I don't do that.
Like it's just for
When you
hookups.
say
Like
when you say
yeah.
on Tinder, you are classified
As a Hinge is like the one to go with because that's like made for
and
dating.
you see like Alfred's with
Exactly what this puppy talking about. Oh, you want to say American woman?
What are you talking about?
Being that second of a cup.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Look at me, I'm famous. I'm on TikTok.
The thing for her.
So it's like me. I landed on Monday and I'm like, oh, I'm single. Let me see what guy. Let me hop on Hinge. And then she's like, oh, Alfred. Out of everybody, let me see what Alfred is all about. Oh, she X'd you?
She said he needed a haircut.
Oh, I didn't know she X'd him.
It was like the main thing was about the
Alfred, let's get the lineup together. We like the lineup. So on your wedding day, you gonna show up with this?
No.
Exactly. You have a lineup. You have a lineup. So you gotta show
Send me a
up.
picture of something on WhatsApp. It's like
You should do a ponytail.
Oh no.
it's a lot. It's a lot. But on Snapchat, like you should go.
Like
It's okay.
right? No.
It's so hard to keep.
Yeah.
And it gets really messy.
Even conditioner, yeah.
Maybe.
That's true. You have hang time. It'd probably be like a high bun,
Send me 17.
and then a little lineup, and you got the beard.
Would you slay on
You switch your location to USA. I can't believe this. As we should. Yes, we should.
I don't know.
She needs her content.
I usually like approaching.
So I'm like,
Alfred,
It's not bad. It's not bad.
for selfish reasons.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
I mean, I'm asking for selfish reasons. Thank you.
So proud.
First positive review.
Very true.
not me.
You want to be appreciative.
For those who didn't get.
I mean, I feel like you can still criticism and still be appreciated.
You are not a trust you again. Like you've actually broken our trust.
What?
Fabric that she's wearing. I can't say no.
Bob is so good.
Like you said something like a year and a half ago.
Yeah, man. You just keep doing it. You just keep doing it.
Mama,
Made a mistake. You will be mine. I guess the joke was on me.
This was on the radio?
Yes! 106 and Park, everywhere. The music video was
I don't listen to the radio.
Wait, this is Mario who?
But I watched
That's just Mario.
And I know when to
Make way.
I was listening
like,
to
let me love you, Mario.
Hey! That's the next one.
How do I breathe without you here by my side?
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Hey.
My favorite part of the song is not even the lyrics.
Grind is me.
This was a banger.
Yo. Same shit.
My heart's stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hey.
Tell her what you do and I baby carry go. Yeah, man, you never carry shit. Open up, make I see you, man. Now you ready to the fast. They do me a keep parking. No.
Hi guys, figured I'd do a little check-in. First off, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna go meet one of my cousins for dinner. His sister's the one that got married, so I'm waiting for my Uber before I go. So I figured I'd check in with you guys because I haven't really been checking in that much during this vlog. I've been very tired, very sleep deprived. We're now in week 2, right? Yeah, this is the beginning of week 2. So hopefully my jet lag and everything, you know, subsides and I'm actually a human being because this is the week of all the fun events. I've made some cool friends. So, but yeah, this is the week where like everyone is going out and we're gonna have a good time. So I need to get my energy up and bounced back. But yeah, my Uber should be like 15 minutes away. So I'm gonna hang out on the balcony and edit a little short form content. I did like a get ready with me for the white wedding and the traditional wedding, and I've made like little shorts of like getting my lashes done, getting my toes done, and then I have to edit the footage from today from going to dinner. So we got a lot of edits and a lot of things to do, but yeah, so I will check in with you guys later. If I don't check in later tonight, I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. I forgot to show you guys my outfit. Hello. My hair and makeup, thankfully, are lasting, but the dress is from Zara. My shoes are from Primark. And then I just had my nude YSL clutch, but yeah, this is the outfit. Oh, jewelry, Adene, little ring, and then a little, what is this? It's like one of those paperclip bracelets. But yeah, so what's my lipstick? My lipstick that I have to replenish. This was NYX. I'll type all of this stuff in here for you guys so you can know. But yeah, bye. It's 1:45 basically. I've been up since like 10, thankfully. My body's getting really used to the time here, finally. So I had dinner with my cousin last night and it was so good. We went to this like Japanese restaurant. They have the best sashimi I've ever had. Like, shout out to Ghana, 10 out of 10. And then I came home, I edited for a little bit, I watched some YouTube vlogs, and then I went to bed, and now we're up. So, well, not really. I woke up at 10 o'clock, like I said, so my body's finally catching up to the time zone. I had breakfast, I took a shower. We're gonna get ready to go to Bloom Bar for a day party with some of the people that I met on Sunday. It starts at 3, but they said I should shoot for showing up around 4, so I've got like an hour and 15 to get ready. I just have to put makeup on. I got my lashes done, so y'all know once you have your lashes done, there's not really much you have to do to your makeup other than make it blend and look good. So we're gonna get ready. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, and I figured I might as well record it. We haven't like gotten ready together in a long time, so yeah. And then other than that, that's about it. We're just gonna sit here, get ready, go to the day party. It's from 3 p.m. till whenever, and then I'm gonna come home or see where the night takes me. You know, we don't really know what we're doing. We're just going with the vibes. So yeah, let's get dressed and then I will check in with you guys. Actually, no, I'm not gonna check in with you guys because we're getting dressed together. So let's get dressed and head out. All right, y'all, let's get ready. But we're gonna watch Aaliyah videos while we get dressed.
So that's good. I'm feeling inspired. I'm feeling good. I got some short form content.
I love Aaliyah so much. Oh my gosh. Okay.
You're my love, man. Let me keep on laughing $1,000 I spent for your head. Talk on your points, I don't care what you said, cause you're my dog.
Yeah, I literally had the fan and the AC on and I still feel like I'm about to sweat my makeup off because I've been sweating my makeup off the entire time I've been here. And I have 3 setting sprays, like all-nighter in matte, the other all-nighter but in a mini, and lastly I have the Holy Grail, and I still sweat my makeup off with the milk primer. Like,
You my one you carry for my head midnight. Now you are one you carry to my bed. Oh lolo, don't tell me no no no. You could be my partner, never rise so lolo. And we can know I'm low, you don't need to party oh. I feel like what you're doing, oh yeah, baby, carry go, carry go. Yeah, body never carry shit. Open up, make I see. Now you wear the color fancy.
trying to see.
It do me Yankee Parky, oh no no no. I want to go, but you can't be coming. I should have been coming early in the morning. Oh yeah, you can't be to send my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you on. Like, give me, baby, make it. I go show you loving, I can make it to my city. Girl, in a state, can't look at it. You want me dancing, you don't need before you go see me. I ain't there, you know your body bad. In body bad, can make you shit for gun. Yeah, can't dance for me, baby, man. I'm a king, sure, no, no, no. sengibuyile I'm going low. Basizwe wile top.
Oh, this is it. The first shirt. Period. Thank you, my outfit online.
Ting ya speed, change the door. The niggas eat too, I'm watching that floor. I just sing weed, going low. Let's go. I'm so okay. I'm sleaze, yeah, okay. My bed to chill, yeah, okay. I'm totally 6, yeah, okay. Patinello, yeah, okay. MJ, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. My yellow phone, yeah, okay. Gems, yeah, okay. I'm sleaze, yeah, okay. To chill, yeah, okay. I'm totally 6, yeah, okay. Patinello, yeah, okay. MJ, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. My yellow phone, yeah, okay.
Mina namagenge sifuna isoto Skimene zinto tuli Congo Tina siyasika ukungondo Nelo lisitizi bafazolo Nengu yathu ephasi kwabikolo Tina siyatesha sitepi fosho Tina mangwazaza utabi foko Nena round ripa ukaimoto Mina namagenge sifuna isoto Skimene zinto tuli Congo Tina siyasika ukungondo Nelo lisitizi bafazolo Nengu yathu ephasi kwabikolo Tina siyatesha sitepi fosho.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. My shirt is from Revolve. I don't remember where my skirt is, so sorry about that. My shoes are from Primark. And my purse, I got this from Walmart actually. I put my usual Sol de Janeiro 62 and Chanel Gabrielle on. And we're just gonna leave the lips as is. Just a little glossy gloss. Actually, I might put like a little like nude or something on now that I think about it. And then these are my earrings. Usual. And then this is jewelry. Something simple, nothing too crazy. And yeah. Alright, let me order my Uber.
You niggas eat too, banenzi flop. Man just sing weed, I'm going low. Floor.
we can go in low. My story. I'm okay. I'm still okay. My plate to 3 okay. I'm totally 6 okay. But Melo okay. I'm J okay. Okay. But my yellow bone okay. I'm okay. I'm still okay. Somebody else. Okay. I'm totally 6 okay. But Melo okay. I'm J okay.
Hi guys, it's a couple hours later. I'm here to ignore my nails. Here to get my phone situated because I've been here for a week and I need a phone. Hi guys, it's several hours later. I am going to a girls' dinner. Girls' dinner! Yes, I met some girls on Sunday. Ooh. But yes, I met some girls on Sunday and then I saw them out. Well, on Sunday they invited me to a dinner on Wednesday and I saw them last night and we like kicked it. So I'm gonna go to a cute little dinner and then we're gonna go out, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure this dress is from Revolve. I'm gonna have my Prada bag and then I'm rushing because my Uber is like 6 minutes away, but we're gonna wear these cute little shoes from Primark. So yeah, this is what the outfit's given. Oh, hold on. I'm ready for bed. It's literally so hot in here. I have the fan going and the AC going, and this is what we're getting. But it's also glisten from my makeup, so. I actually had like the best time tonight, I'm not gonna lie. It was nice to not go out. Love a good everyday people. Oh, can you guys see me? Whatever. I love an everyday people party, but I love a girls' night even more. A chill girls' night with no men, most importantly, was a blast. So, yeah. Had a lot of fun. Lily's super nice. She's a gracious hostess. I'm very, 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 very grateful that I met them. Yeah, I had a good time. I've been like praying to God that I find a group of girlfriends that are like-minded, most importantly. Like they, not say they don't want to go out, but they want to like have fun dinners at home and get to know each other and have like intellectual conversations, getting to know one another, not just like partying and whatnot. Like a group of girlfriends, not just my friends that I bring together. Like I want to like join that group of girls. So it was really cool, and I'm very grateful to God because I've been praying that I find people like that. So I'm grateful that I have found them in Ghana. Again, this is our first like hangout, so I'm not gonna be you know, like very hopeful like I normally am in life, because I'm like, oh, there was such a good time, we're gonna be like best friends. Like, no. But it was a very good time. I had the best conversations with people. The food, oh my gosh, you guys, the food, be fucking for real, the food was so good. And if you're judging me for doing this in bed, clearly you haven't been this lit before and this lazy. And I am also a very special lazy girl. But yeah, I had a really good time. The food was good, the conversations were good, the people were even better. I'm gonna post on my Insta because it's definitely 10 p.m. in New York, but it's 3:18 hasta mañana. So it's 10 p.m. in New York. I am basically done. Let me see. Yeah, I have this here just in case I didn't wipe all of my makeup. I can take, you know, be cautious to not have it rub off on my sheets. But yeah, I'm getting so real and raw with you guys. Like, I have to do better at not being this personable on my vlogs, because I feel like you guys are literally in bed with me. Like, this is crazy. And you're like all up in my face. Like, this is insane. But I had a lot of wine tonight, so please ignore me. Oh, the doggy basket that I took home. No, literally, Lily, if you're watching this, you snapped. Like, I'm not even joking. You snapped on the food, you snapped on the decor, you snapped on the whole night. It was so much fun. I don't think I've said that enough in this vlog, but it was a lot of fun. And I hope that I get to hang out with them the rest of the time that I'm here. And yeah, and I'm proud of myself. It's also, I didn't sweat that much because I was in her nicely air-conditioned apartment, which was super cute. It's like on the top floor. It was probably going there was a 14 minute drive, and then coming home was an 18-minute drive without traffic. So she lives very close to me, and apparently she used to go to the high school near me, or like her and her friends used to. So everyone's very close. But yeah, I think we're all done, you guys. At least, like, this is all I can muster, because I am tired. So I'm going to charge all my devices, watch the challenge. So I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah. Alright, I need to text Lily that I made it home safely, because I'm pretty sure I was supposed to text her that almost 30 minutes ago. So good night, you guys. I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Ashibaba ntol balebetse bajadi boom I went some kamela ka zero ke tla be mo I think sub zero o sona na re ka batcha ka skolol cash contant ka mo saving ha ke fetsa ka thapisa ka mokol but se sa feeling sa troll Ashibaba ntol balebetse bajadi boom I went some kamela ka zero ke tla be mo I think sub zero o sona na re ka batcha ka skolol cash contant ka mo saving ha ke fetsa ka thapisa ka mokol but se sa feeling sa troll
Nagina baby mama so get spend out the pampas asikoni ona drama kasungkoni shapat namba sagala baga sagala bazaga sagala bauteka emoyeni itafamba Nare banaba mojava say whiskey just about cabs are fasite banaspanda 2 rounds TKO this kanda ole bete kaspamanda opalite kamanala kamule purusha banamba ene getobo te jagwa 100,000 fela gelamba
That being said, let's pop some champagne, let's eat some cake, and let's have a good time. Keku, 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 keku.
babalinigil malamba nung kau pecha mo China kipopile sa chaya
Ashibaban kol balibit majadi boom I went sun come like a zero kitla we are more I think it's sub zero or son narka Pachaka skolol kish contant kama safi heke fetsa ka tapisa ka mokol but it's a feeling sad troll Ashibaban kol balibit majadi boom I went sun come like a zero kitla we are more I think it's sub zero or son narka pachaka skolol kish contant kama safi heke fetsa ka tapisa ka mokol but it's a feeling sad troll
Really digan Zona hoka mo pabor wai pono katora dizam ore waloya banyago wisa paujela mona lifelo legal heller galoya lifelo legal heller galoya dibiri digan ashidi zona dibiri digan.
I hope you guys liked this week's video. Please let me know what you think in the comments and like, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.